Welcome to Jewels of Gina. Ayan, mga education topics.
The principles of inclusive education based on RA 11650. Okay, parang nasa previous na. Sorry, monitor. No? So, the EO 44 Series 2021 and EO 21 Series 2019. Articulating some of the provisions in RA 11650 that will help the Department of Education address the need of the learners to minimize barriers in terms of education. And then we'll be also discussing the universal design for learning as our tool and approaches and some of the approaches in UDL in addressing the instructional as well as some needs of our learners in inclusive education. Part of that are the classroom practices and strategies that we can employ in minimizing the barriers of these learners to achieve development in terms of education. And the accommodation and modification, which ito po yung dalawang mga pamamaraan at approaches na ginagamit po ng ating mga teachers handling special education learners na pwede po natin pag nakita natin mamaya, pwede naman natin gamitin po sa ating mga regular students. Okay? So, for our next activity, sorry po yung activity kanina, dagdag ko lang po yun. Please take note, monitors. I just added it up kasi nga medyo naramdaman po kayo sa latter part the first speaker. So tingin ko, kailangan i-ignite yung inyong attention for our discussion. For our activity, may I request the winning team, GMRC, pagbigyan niyo na po kami. Tuwang-tuwa po kami sa aming pagkapanalo kagabi. Pa-assist lang po ako sa ating dalawang kasama sa GMRC na DE. Okay, you will be given a brown envelope, chosen 6 teams. For the situation 1, this is the instruction kung saan man po gusto ibigay ni Ma'am Gwen at Sir Marlon envelope. The group will, with task 1, with envelope 1, I think you gave it to Mate group. So ito po yung instruction, meron naman din po hard copy ng instruction. So you will put on the simulation mask. Meron pong simulation mask dyan sa loob ng envelope. Okay? You will be instructed by your leader. Please assign a leader that will guide you on the direction to walking wildly and blindfold. Siguro kaya binigay sa inyo kasi you have enough space sa tabi ninyo to do that. So you need to have a leader and 5 members. 5 members will wear the simulation mask. Magpa-blindfold sila. And the leader will guide you to walking wildly blindfold. Walk straight, turn left, right, and go back to your place. The leader will ensure that all of you are seated after 1 minute. Okay? Puppet group? Okay? Okay. The next envelope, the task 2, saan din bibigay? Okay? So this is the situations. Those who have the envelope 2, in the group with task 2, you will put on the simulation mask. The leader will give them a selection found in the envelope. This time the mask ay may konting hole. May konting hole sa kanya. O pinasa-pasa na. Sige, AP. Accommodating naman ang AP. So, AP, this is your situation. Wear the mask. The leader will give you a selection found in the envelope. With the simulation mask on, each shall read the selection without removing or touching the simulation mask. Okay po? AP, gets po instruction? Okay, thank you. Next, for the next envelope, The group with task 3 kayong ibibigay. Siguro mamaya doon sa lawin doon, okay? Task 3, the leader will distribute paper and pencils to members. May mga ballpen naman po kayo, no? Hindi po ako nakapag-analyze ng pencil. So yung sarili ballpen nila. The leader will read the selection found inside the envelope without sound. We'll read it silently, pero without sound. Diba? Silently, without sound. Participant will write down the words they heard or they see. Kasi wala kang sound. Okay? So, malinaw na po. Envelope 3. For envelope 4, sino participant natin sa envelope 4? Sino po? Kinder? Okay, Kinder. For envelope 4, reading a paragraph with the smallest font size. Pabasa natin kay Miriam. Okay, you will be reading the paragraph with the smallest font size. Merong selection po dyan sa loob. Papasahin niyo po yan. Okay? Envelope number 5. Okay, may direction pa. We read the selection with the smallest font without using any assistive device. So, aalisin niyo po ang inyong mga lapakara. Kakain ba? Lapakara sa basahan. Ano ito? Antipara. Okay. Alisin po ang mga assistive device and you read the selection inside the envelope. Okay, next. Envelope 5. What's the envelope 5? Anong? What's that? English. English group. The group with task 5 will read the selection. Basta po, basahin yung selection na nasa loob ng envelope. Then later on, we will ask you what is the selection all about. Next. Number 6. Sino number 6? Sino po gusto mo bigyan? Ikaw na, bata. Ayaw mo i-science, kaya Mr. Lali, no? Yes, sir. Wearing the mask. You need to read the selection any way you like it. Basta you're wearing the simulation mask. Okay. So the group 6. Andiyan na. You have the masking tape there. You need to rub your hand. Meron pong picture dyan. Paano gagawin nyo? You rub your both hands with the masking tape and you write anything on the paper with the masking tape on your hand. Okay, so while they're doing that, the rest of the group, please read this. Kindly read this for the rest of the team, of the participants. Yung iba po, tuloy lang po kayo sa activity. Kindly read. Uy, bakit? Ba't hindi pa kayo naglalakad? Wala pa kami nakikita naglalakad na nakamas. Yan. Thank you. Sinong leader nyo? Bakit? Sir. So you need to walk left, right, and then go back to your seat after 1 minute. Okay, tapos na po magbasa ang the rest of the participants. Oh, this one, please read. Ang ibang participant. So, ang wala ay PLE, PP, GMS, College Education, Science. Si Ma'am Gina ang leader. Okay. Huwag po hawakan na simulation mask, AP. Babalik po sila sa upuan. Pero kakanan muna sila, kakaliwa. Hoy, ma, hindi kayo magbabasa, susulat kayo. May envelope kayo eh. Lahat kayo. Kaya nga dami ng masking tape eh. Buti wala dito si Ma'am Cora. Ma'am Cora, naman, group is not following instruction. Hindi po, sabi ko yung walang envelope lang magbabasa. Okay, lahat kayo magtatali. Yan. Sulat ang pangalan, address, edad. Okay. Okay na po ang mapit. Sir, lahat kayo sabay-sabay. Okay, anyway, sige po, balik na po kayo sa inyong mga upuan. Okay, palakpan po natin ang bawat isa. Thank you for your participation in the activity. Now, let's process the activity. Okay? Sa pato. Ito po, nakaantay yung supposed to be. Kaya, sige Sir Gina, gawin mo muna bago tayo mag-process. So you can share your experience with the activity. And then write your name, address, signature. With your heartbeat around by a mask. Okay. Those who can access the QR code, you can give your reactions, your insights on the activities. May Padlet po dyan. If you can access the Padlet, you can type on your insights and evaluation and what have you gained from the activity in the Padlet. Okay? Kaya ba?
Ano, sir?
Can you access the Padlet? We can also see some of the reactions and answers of the participants during the regional training of trainers. And for those who cannot access, especially for those that have been handled with, been given with a brown envelope, so can you answer me this? What can you say about your experience in the activity in terms of access? Okay, Mape, what is your experience? What can you say about your experience? Having a simulation, having been blindfolded and you walk around the room with a leader. Sir Jomel, can I have a mic please for our participant? Okay, Mapi group. Ito po yung isa. Ito. Sige po, Margina, I think hindi naka-blindfold. Sige, naka-blindfold. What can you say about your experience, ma'am?
All I can say is it's hard to be visually challenged.
Okay.
And also, I learned how to follow instructions from the teacher.
Okay, thank you. From kindergarten group, what can you say about your experience in the activity? Anybody from the kindergarten group? Ayaw po.
Some of our learner situation.
Okay.
Pero para talagang ganun malala. Minsan nagagalit ka pa eh. Hindi yan.
Okay.
Pero talagang malabo talaga ma.
Okay, thank you. Man group. Ayan, ito kayo nagsusulat pa sa Alex. Okay, what can you say about your experience being yung hand are being wrapped and then you trying to write?
Having this kind of difficulty is very hard for the learner to write, especially if there is a given specific time to finish the class.
Okay.
So he or she is not able to finish the activity on time.
Okay.
This is very challenging.
Okay, thank you, Sir Alex. Okay, how do you feel after doing the activity? TLE, TPP, listening to a voiceless reader. Stress. Ayan. Wala. Sabi.
It's very difficult to talk without sound or speak without sound. Sana tinigyan wala na yung ginamit ng mga bata kasi magbasa sila ng reading materials
Okay. Okay, thank you, Ma'am Wayne. About AP group, how do you feel after doing the activity? Nakita ko kasi doon talaga nila yung simulation mask at nagbasa talaga sila. Sir Joseph?
Iba-ibang effort pa eh. Meron yung itataas mo kasi limited to
Oo nga. Kala ko nagkakaroon kayo ng signal.
Medyo mabagal pa.
May nilayo, may nilapit.
Yes, ma'am. Iba mas matagal siguro. Naalala namin pa estudyante namin na pinapupunta sa harap tapos pinipicturan pa. Kasi hindi crush out pa.
Okay, thank you. Next, recall your classroom now. No? Kahit na students tayo or in a higher position, recall a situation or a student in your classroom. Is there anyone you observe having any difficulties in learning? Meron? Oo, kasi kanina sabi ko, intervention, religion, pero hindi pa rin po. No? Pero patuloy pa rin tayo, education, religion, on the regular approaches. No? So, ganun pa rin sila. Okay? So, thank you for what is your major takeaway from this activity? Anybody who wants to give a very significant takeaway from this activity? Okay, doon naman sa nagbasa sa screen without a brown envelope. Anybody? Yes, ma'am. Science. Nagbasa ng maliit at nagbasa ng mga balik-baliktad na letra.
When reading the passage on the screen, it's hard for me to read, especially yung mga letters yung parang nakatranspose. Then parang hindi nga nakabaliktad. Tapos may mga word na hindi mo makikita kung may basa. Hindi mo maalam. Kahit nakasalaman. Kaya mahirap talaga siya.
Okay, thank you. Isa pa? One more? Yung hindi nabigyan ng brown envelope? I think Filipino wala. Can we have somebody from Filipino group? Nagbasa pa kayo kung balik-baliktad na letter o kaya maliit? Sige po, ano po ang inyong major takeaway? Napili mo kayong basahin yung mga letra. Okay, Peter. Yes po.
Ma'am, nagbasa po kami na kapaliktad na kita po namin na napakahirap intindihin, lalo-lalo na kung may disability na dyslexic ang isang bata. Dito namin naiintindihan bakit ang pagbabasa nila ay talagang tapos sa kanilang kaalaman dahil nga sa may disabilities po sila.
Okay, thank you po. Thank you for your insight and takeaway from the activity. So let's move on. Our session, we will talking about the interplay of the inclusive education, its principle, definition, and the universal design for learning as an approach in dealing with the needs of our learners with special needs, and the use of modification and